everyone, welcome to Health and Glow. Myself, Gowri Sworoop. Today, we are going to check the homemade remedies to prevent cough and phlegm. Even though Corona period has been finished, there is no peace about health matters of both babies and adults. Fever, cough and phlegm will arrive within 1 week after the deprival of one fever. Things are beyond thoughts and decisions. How can we prevent this in native way? Take time and toss panikurkas in tulasi's leaves and squeeze it. Addition of honey into this extract and consuming this thrice helps in the shaking of phlegm, especially for infants. Take one bowl and put 2 teaspoons jaggery powder and 1 teaspoon ginger powder. Garlic powder is also suitable. Then half tablespoon turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon melted ghee should also be added. Mix this properly and roll into a size of a small sweet. Give this to infants. It is very good. Take a small piece of ginger, crush and take its squeezed extract. Add some amount of honey, half teaspoon pepper powder and mix it. After mixing this properly, consume this 1 teaspoon twicely 3 days in a week. Next, we can meet with another health tip. Till then, bye.